about. Carrie McCarpet, as she's known on YouTube. I know that's not your name, but that's what you're known as. She talked about getting your feet on the earth. So I'm out here with Pluto the cat, who is my son. He's eating some grass. And the whole thing is a good reminder that we don't have fangs. We're not cats. And even a cat with fangs, or an animal with fangs, a carnivore, comes out and gets some of this fresh grass when they, I suppose, have too much acid in their stomachs, because he threw up last night, and that's a cat thing. You know, if you have a cat, sometimes he's gonna rub his face on stuff. No, sometimes he's going to want to throw up, or have to throw up. But he's 18 years old. He's a very good, loyal pet, and I highly recommend getting a little carnivore in your life. He's a good dude. Been around a while.